Hello, boys and girls. Tonight's homework is Go Math Lesson 5.1, Describe Patterns. The lesson essential question is, what are some ways you can describe a pattern in a table? Let's take a look at our first problem. The outdoor club is planning a camping trip. Each camper will need a flashlight. One flashlight uses 4 batteries. How many batteries are needed for 8 flashlights? So we're going to look at the table and describe the pattern that we see. One way is to describe a pattern across the rows. Look for a pattern to complete the table. As you look across the rows, you can see that the number of batteries increases by 4 for each flashlight. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So for every flashlight, add 4 batteries. Step 2, use the pattern to find the number of batteries in 8 flashlights. So add 4 to 8 batteries. 28 plus 4 is 32. So 32 batteries are needed for 8 flashlights. And if you look up at the table in that last column, for 8 flashlights, we're going to need 32 batteries. Now we're going to look at another way. Describe the pattern in the columns this time. The columns are the up and down. Step 1, look for a pattern by comparing the columns in the table. You can multiply the number of flashlights by 4 to find the number of batteries that are needed. So for example, if you look at the first column, if you multiply 1 by 4, you get 4. If you multiply 2 by 4, you get 8. Step 2 says, use the pattern to find how many batteries are needed for 8 flashlights. So we look at that last column, 8 flashlights. We would do 8 times 4 to get 32 batteries. Let's look at one more problem. The campers need 5 packs of batteries. If there are 8 batteries in each pack, how many batteries will be in 5 packs? One way is to use addition. Describe a pattern down the columns. If we look at the columns, we can see that we are adding 8 batteries for each pack. We go 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Another way would be to use multiplication. Describe a pattern. If we look and see how the packs of batteries are related to the number of batteries, we can see that 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 8 is 32. And 5 times 8 is 40. So, multiply the number of packs of batteries by 8. So there will be 40 batteries in 5 packs. There will be 40 batteries in 5 packs. Thank you for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.